Ever wondered how the boundaries of culinary art can be stretched and blended? Welcome to the fascinating world of food fusion, where two beloved comfort foods unite to create a dish that is as delightful as it is surprising, the mac and cheese donut. Today we're diving into the process of creating this innovative dish, a brainchild of renowned chefs Patrick Zainali and Chef Rush. The first step to creating our mac and cheese donut begins with a classic macaroni and cheese recipe. The macaroni is cooked to perfection, and then mixed with a creamy blend of cheddar and mozzarella cheeses. The cheesy mix is then seasoned with a hint of salt, pepper, and a dash of paprika for that extra kick. Once the macaroni and cheese is prepared, it's time to shape them into donuts. This is where the fun begins. The mac and cheese is cooled and then molded into the shape of a donut, complete with a hole in the middle. The secret to achieving that perfect donut shape is to use a donut mold, but a round cookie cutter will do the trick too. Now, for the final and most exciting step, frying. Each mac and cheese donut is coated in a light batter, then rolled in breadcrumbs to give that crispy golden finish we all love. These donuts are then deep fried until they reach that perfect golden brown hue. Voila! The mac and cheese donuts are ready to be served. Hot and crispy on the outside, soft and cheesy on the inside. A dish that's sure to bring a smile to your face with each bite. A true testament to the magic of food fusion. In just under 3 minutes, we've explored the process of creating the mac and cheese donut, a dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat. It's a perfect example of the culinary creativity of chefs Patrick Zainali and Chef Rush, who dared to dream and brought this unique dish to life. Food fusion at its finest, wouldn't you agree?